Hello. I wasn't planning on making a video today, but I am because I came across something. Okay, so I want to talk about, hold on, I'm gonna get comfortable here. For those of you wondering, my back still really hurting. Go check out my vlog channel if you want to know exactly what happened. Don't mind the kiddos playing in the background. We've been cooped up in the house all day. I'm like in a cozy attire because it's cold out there today. I think it's only like 50, but I'm freezing for some reason. Anyway, want to talk about two new Poshmark features. One that I knew about and one that I randomly came across. So talk about the one that I know about. So Poshmark now offers a little feature where you can copy a listing, which is amazing. I think that that's so basic, it should have been around for a long time. You know, Poshmark kind of reminds me of Apple in a way. And not hating on Apple at all. I love Apple. I've been using Apple for years. I bought an iPhone the day it came out. I've owned every single iPhone. But anyway, I love Apple. I used to work for Apple. I have an Apple tattoo on my hand. But Poshmark reminds me of them in a way, because I feel like with Apple, especially when the iPhone first came out, they had like basic features missing from their phone that other phones already had. Like, I remember when they finally brought like picture messaging to an iPhone. Like, this was before iMessage. Like, I remember when they just implemented basic things, and I feel like it took them a while to implement those basic things. And I feel like Poshmark's the same way. They're finally like, I mean, they've been around for a while, like 2012, maybe 11, 12. But I feel like they're finally just implementing just like basic stuff that should have been around for a while. One of those basic things is to be able to copy a listing without having to like copy and paste, you know, just one tap of a button, you can copy a listing. Why hasn't that been around? That feature is great if you're relisting things. It's such a time saver. And like I said, I feel like it's just something that should have been around. It should have been around for a while. I actually have a whole video talking about things that I think Poshmark is lacking. What was that video called? I think it's called like Cons of Poshmark. I'll link that video down below if you're interested. But this little feature is something I randomly came across. Okay, so I was looking at my purchases. I recently went on a pretty big shopping spree on Poshmark and bought a bunch of things. I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bundles for a total of 11, 19, 24, 27, 33, 38, 39, 40, for a total of 43 things. So I've been tracking my packages. I've been like wondering when this shit's gonna come in. Whenever I purchase on Poshmark, I always expect sellers to ship same day like I do, or next day. Definitely doesn't always happen. Not everyone has Poshmark as their full-time job. For a lot of people, it's just, you know, something to do to earn some extra cash, so they really don't care when they ship things. Anyway, I was looking at my purchases, seeing when things would be shipped to me. I actually got a package in the mail today. It was super exciting. I bought the Alexandra Wang Rocco bag. It's so beautiful. It's a bag that I've wanted for a long time now. I actually got sent a replica bag from a company, oh my gosh, I want to say like 7, 8 years ago. Wait, when did I work at Apple? Because I had the bag when I worked at Apple. Yeah, it was 8 years ago. A company that sells handbags online reached out to me and they're like, hey, do you want to pick out a couple of bags? And I picked out 2 of their Alexandra Wang replica bags because I just love that bag. And they're pretty damn good replicas, if I do say so myself. If you guys want to see like a comparison video, I could do that. Yeah, anyway, I bought the real thing and I was so excited. It came in the mail today. And again, I was just looking at my purchases and I noticed under this listing, it says Reposh. And I'm like, huh, I've never seen that before. So, I'm going to show you a screenshot, but I'm going to like blur out, well, yeah, I'm going to blur out pretty much everything on here because I don't want to tell you who the seller is. You know, I don't want to show you my other purchases because then you'll know all the good deals I got from all these amazing sellers. But yeah, so it says Reposh. So I'm like, huh. Okay. So it created a listing with pre-populated information in it. So it has the name of the bag, as obviously it doesn't have any pictures because it's not going to use that person's pictures. It has the title all filled out. Under details, it says, reposhing this item I purchased from, and then the buyer's name, loved it, but ready to rotate for something new. And then it has the category, the quantity, the size, the brand, the color, the original price, which I don't know if they pulled that from that person's listing. Let me check. Let me check. Discard, changes. Let me check. Yes, they did. They pulled that price from the other person's listing. And then it has listing price blank and pictures blank, so you can fill that out yourself. This is the first time I've ever seen this. If this had been around for a while, I feel like I would have noticed it because I purchase on Poshmark a lot. So I would have seen that. And I thought maybe it was just that item because it was like a luxury high-end item, but it's not. It doesn't say that under bundles, but it does say that for... Yeah, I purchased a lot of bundles, holy shit. But yeah, it says it for all single purchases now, which again, if this had been around for a while, I would have noticed that. So I feel like it's definitely new. I have not heard them talk about it. I've not heard anyone else talk about it. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know about that random ass little feature that I came across. I think it's definitely a good feature because sometimes you might buy something on Poshmark and maybe it doesn't fit you the way that you thought it would. Maybe you bought from a shitty seller and maybe they didn't disclose something and it's too late to return it. Maybe you bought something you just don't like it. Maybe you bought something with the intent of reselling it for a profit. So yeah, I think that that's a handy little feature. This too is something to me that's like so basic. I feel like it should have been around for a while. So yeah, I just wanted to make this video and just to let you guys know about, well, about the copy listing feature. Again, that's something that Poshmark rolled out, I want to say like 2-3 weeks ago now, maybe. And maybe they rolled this out. No, they wouldn't know. I would have noticed it. I feel like it's new within the past couple days. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think, if you've seen this before. Maybe, no, I feel like I would have seen it before. I don't know, but I just want to make this video and tell you guys because I thought that both of those features are helpful and they could benefit you guys. And that is it for this video. If you are new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.